No gold is not in her. She's a diamond, I'm the rough.
Hey, I just want to give a shout out to these 3 people that was the first to comment on my last video. Thank you for the love and the support. Hey, this is your Mama Coupon, and right now we are at CVS. I want to try to make this video quick because we're trying not to make it longer than what it need to be, because usually I don't get a lot of views on my CVS videos, so it is what it is. Let's go ahead and get started. So first we're going to grab, I'm coming in with a $10 care pass and $10 from 2 weeks ago when I did a deal. So anyway, we're going to grab this Orbi toothbrush. Is $3.99, and when you buy 2 of the participating items, you get back $5 in extra care bucks. So we have a $2 off coupon for this. And then we'll also grab this Crest toothpaste to finish off that deal, and it's $3.99, and we also have a $2 off coupon for this. I'm also going to grab this Tide and take advantage of this deal right here, the PG deal. Spend $25 in PG products and get back $8 in extra care bucks. I'm going to grab this right here, and we have a $3 off coupon for the Tide. I'm also going to grab this at Downy Unstoppable. It's a $5.49. We have a $2 off coupon for this. I'm going to grab 2 other Febreze products, and I'm going to grab the ones that's priced at either $4.99 or the ones that priced at $4.29. We have a $3.30 off of 2 coupon for this, and they on sale, buy one get one fall. Alright, so this is the overview of everything that we got for this deal. We're going to use all the coupons that I mentioned, plus my $10 care pass and my $10 that I got from a previous deal like 2 weeks ago. So my total should be, now yesterday you don't have no points, no extra care bucks, no nothing. Your total going to be $22 and some change for this, but you're going to get back $8 for the PG, and you're going to get back $5 for buying 2 of the Crest and Orbi products. So we're going to make this, okay, so this will make this around $9 for everything now. So I feel like $9 for all of this. If you don't have no points, you just starting out, I still feel like that's a good price for everything you have here. This by itself is $12.99. Okay, so I'm going to be paying $2 out of pocket for this, hopefully, and I'm going to get back that $13, and then I'm going to roll that on my next transaction. I'm going to show you the next transaction right now. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. They are $2.19. They're supposed to be on sale, buy one get one half off. When I scan this, that's $3 off of 2 coupon attached to this. So I'm going to grab 2 of these because it's going to make it like 30 cents for 2. Okay, so then I'm going to grab this right here. It's a $5.99, and when you buy 1, you get back $5 in extra care bucks. So this is only be 99 cents. If you live in the country, this might be good for you. So anyway, I'm going to grab one of these. Okay, so then I'm going to grab 2 of these items right here. I prefer this than the shampoo. I can grab the shampoo, which is right here. Now these are on sale for $6.99. My store doesn't have the tag up, but they're supposed to be on sale for $6.99. And we have a $6 off of 2 coupon for this. Also, I have a $2 CRT also for this shampoo. Well, this product, this brand of products, okay? When you buy 2, you're supposed to get back a $4 extra care buck, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so this is everything that I got for my deal number 2. I'm going to use all the coupons that I mentioned. I'm sorry about being so loud, y'all. But, I didn't see it. Okay, so I'm going to use all the coupons that I mentioned. And I'm going to use the $13 that I got from my previous deal on this deal. I should be paying only tax out of pocket for this transaction. I should get back $5 for this. Hold on. This item right here. And then I should also get back $4 for these 2. So I should get back a total of $9, which is good for me because I don't come to CVS often. So anyway, yes, go ahead, go to the register and see if both of my transactions work out as planned. This should be only taxed after I roll over my extra care bucks from this transaction. This should be only $2. I said for now on, when it come down to CVS, I'm going to try to only pay like tax and not really too much because I don't come here too often. So anyway, let's go ahead and go to the register and see. Okay, so deal number one went as planned, and I know I forgot to record. I was recording, and I hit the thumb, and you probably didn't see everything, all the money comes off of it, but you will see the receipt. Okay, that's what counts. You will see the receipt, even though I know some people love to see the machine, but you're gonna see the receipt. Okay, that's the main thing. So as you can see here, everything came off. Everything went as planned. My total was a little cheaper than what I expected. It was $1.29. So I paid that, and I did get back I got the $8 back from the PG, and I got the $5 back from the Crest and OB, and then I also got a $3 off of any purchase. So I need to find something for $3. Okay, so I'm gonna, because the last one I got, I let expire, so I'm gonna find something. Now we're about to do deal. I'm about to roll this over for deal number 2. Okay. As you can see here, everything came off, everything went as planned. Yes, I wasted 75 cents. I know somebody gonna say, you wasted 75 cents. You should have got a piece of candy or something. You know what? It's hot. But anyway, my total was 0 for this, and I did get back, hold on, $4 for the OGX products, and I got the $5 for this ointment. Okay, and I'm so excited about the OGX products because usually the oils that is not included. So I got the 2 oils that's right here. Usually those are not included. Just the shampoo be included. So I'm happy about that because I was able to get the oils. So anyway, yeah, that's all I did. Today was a great day. I already used the $3 because last time I let it expire. So I was like, I'm letting free money expire. So today was a good day at CVS. So anyway, if you have a CVS, this week is the week to go. I could probably do several more deals, but I'm not going to even stress myself out with that. So this is your Mama Cool. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. Like this video, share this video, do all those things so people tell you do at the end of the video. You already know what to do. Wash your hands, wash your body, wash everything. Just stay clean out there and also be safe. If you're interested in support to my channel, just like, comment, and share. I also have 2 other channels linked below if you want to show love and support over there. You already know, be safe out there, be safe out there, be safe out there. And this week I will be doing I won't be quite doing a cash stuffing. I will be going over my bills because I got a lot of new bills and getting my budget back on track. So I just cleaned off my budgeting table because it wasn't cleaned off. Don't judge me, but we're gonna get back to it. So anyway,